last time for my first tattoo ever, we did a painful spot. She's like, oh my god.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah, I thought now would be a good time to do something visible because mom's not here to have any input.
How's your mom?
She's doing well.
Good.
Just hanging out at home, still doing the library thing. She's having before Jimmy gets married later in September. But
Nice.
yeah, big